continuous houndstooth square, turn it into a baby blanket, and I'm excited to say we can. And I have the pattern ready to teach you up next. We're going to start with an adjustable ring or magic circle, and then we'll chain 2, followed by a double crochet and single crochet. We'll begin with an adjustable ring or magic circle. To do this, we'll wrap the yarn around our index finger twice. We'll pull the first bar over the second bar back over the first, and then we'll pull the loop off of our index finger, and then you can pull the tail to adjust the size. Now we'll take our crochet hook, insert it into the middle. We'll set our hands, and then we're going to place a chain 2. So yarn over, and then pull through the little loop 1, yarn over, and pull through the little loop 2. Excellent. Now we'll create our double crochet by yarning over, inserting our hook into the center ring, yarn over again, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. You'll yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's going to be our double crochet now and for the rest of the pattern. And then we'll work our single crochet. Hi Gary. We insert our hook into the center, yarn over, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through those 2. And that's our single crochet. So now we're going to work 3 more sets of double crochet and single crochet for that continuous houndstooth stitch square. So now you'll continue to work the double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and I'll meet you back at the join. Great job. So now that we've have the end of round 1, to begin round 2, we're going to go beside the chain 2 into the top of the double crochet from the beginning of round 1. You're going to place a single crochet. There we go. Through our 2 hooks. So now we've closed it. So when you have your single crochet, now you're going to pull your yarn tail to the front, and you're going to grab your next color. Your next color, you're going to hold your yarn tail in the front again. You're going to yarn over, and you're just going to pull it through. Excellent. Now, this is where the magic happens. So you're going to hold your red yarn tail, because that's going to be our new color. You're going to take your old color, throw it to the back. And when you're throwing it to the back, you actually cover up and create kind of like a little stitch over top, and that keeps the colors nice and seamless, okay? So you threw your old color to the back, new color is going to take the lead, and you work a chain 1. Yarn over, chain 1. I'm just holding everything really tight. There we go. Excellent. Now you drop your old color, and you're able, you can weave over your yarn tail end, but you're able to crochet in your new color. Wonderful. Now you know how to complete the join for the rest of the pattern. So now we're going to work on round 2, which is going to set you up for a continuous houndstooth and baby blanket square. So to begin, every round is going to start the same. You're going to look for that double crochet again from the start, and you're going to place a double crochet and single crochet into that first stitch, okay? So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And then you're going to insert your hook again through the stitch, same one, yarn over, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops for your single crochet. And that's how you're going to begin every round. Excellent. Next up, so we just finished a single crochet, so we're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch. And because we're at our corner, we're actually going to place yarn over. We're going to work a double crochet, single, and then another double, because that's going to be our corner increase. Excellent. Great job. Let's do a review. Now that we've changed colors to our new color and worked a double crochet and a single crochet into the first stitch, we've worked our corner increase, which is how you're going to do every round, which is a double crochet, single, and a double. And then you'll work a single crochet into the top of your double, a double crochet, single, and a double again. And now you'll work a single crochet, another corner increase, and then you'll place a single crochet on the double, and I'll meet you back at that last stitch there, okay? So you'll complete the rest of the round and I'll meet you back at the last stitch. We'll work it together. Wonderful work. Now in the last stitch, we'll work a double crochet and a single crochet. And that's how you're going to end every round. In that last stitch is placing a double crochet and single crochet. And that's how we also started the round. And so that will actually create that last little corner there at the join. All right, so now we're going to work our join. So we'll insert our hook into the top of the double crochet from the start of the round. We'll pull the new color to the front, and then we're going to do one last single crochet with our old color in the red. Great job. And now we're going to bring our red color to the front. Excellent. And hold it there. And now we're going to yarn over and pull through the new color, the new white. Hi, Gary. Yes. And then now we'll throw the old color to the back. Excellent. Great job. And that's what covers up the yarn and creates a little stitch there. And now with our new color, we'll chain one and we're ready to begin round 3. And this is how you're going to do the join each time and how you're going to begin each round. So now as we begin the round, we're going to start with a double crochet and a single crochet worked into the top of that double crochet stitch. Double crochet, hey, and then your single. And now because we've worked a single crochet, we're going to place a double crochet in the next stitch. And after the double crochet, then you place a single crochet in the next stitch. And that's how the houndstooth stitch works across the row. And now we're at the corner. So we're going to place our corner increase, which is a double crochet, a single crochet, and then another double crochet. And then now we work a single crochet into the next stitch. And because we've worked a single, next we're going to place a double crochet. Now you've placed your single, so you're going to work the houndstooth stitch, which is alternating double and single crochet across the row until you get to the next corner. So you've worked your double, so now you're going to place a single crochet. And now we're back at our corner stitch. In our corner stitch, we're going to place a double crochet, single crochet, and then a double. And you know you're in the corner because it's the single crochet stitch in the middle of our increase. Great job. And now you worked your double, so make sure you get that single crochet. Great job. Now as we're working towards our last corner stitch, we'll place our single crochet. So in the last stitch, you place a double crochet followed by a single crochet only. And this is going in your last stitch because it makes the last corner. And remember, we started our round with a double and a single worked into the same stitch. So that's what's going to create the corner there. To work our join, you're going to insert your crochet hook into the top of the double crochet from before, bring your new color to the front, and then work a single crochet with your old color to finish off the round. Then you're going to bring your old color to the front, pick up that new red or new color, whatever you're using, and then you're going to yarn over and just pull it through there. And then now you take your old color and throw it to the back. Excellent, to cover up the yarn and create that nice seamless join that we're looking for. And then with your new color, you're going to chain one to begin your next round. Awesome, and that's how you're going to make the join every time. We'll work this last round together. To start the round, you're going to place a double crochet and a single crochet into that first stitch, the top of the double crochet from the round below, single, and then because you've worked a single crochet, your next stitch is going to be a double crochet. And this stitch sometimes is easy to be missed, so always make sure you get it or else it will kind of like warp your square a little bit. After your double crochet, you'll work a single crochet. And that's how the houndstooth is going to go across the row. It will be a double followed by a single. And then now we're back at our corner stitch. So we'll place our corner increase, which is a double crochet, single crochet, and a double crochet worked into the corner. And you know it's the corner because it's the single crochet in the middle there. Excellent. And then you'll continue the houndstooth stitch across the row, working your double crochet and a single crochet. You know it's the right one because if it's the double crochet from the row below, you're going to place a single, and if it's the single, then you're going to place a double. And you do that across the entire row until you get to your corner stitch. In the corner, you'll place your corner increase of a double crochet, a single, and another double. And then you keep going just like that. I love this pattern because you don't need to count. It's so nice. You don't have to count your stitches. It self-corrects. And you just continue your entire blanket like that. You can houndstooth to infinity. And here are the materials that I used for these baby blankets in the video. I'll go over them in the next slide. So this continuous houndstooth baby blanket was created using 100% cotton yarn. It creates a really nice fabric for it. It was the Estelle Eco Cotton DK, and I used a 4mm crochet hook. For this border, I just went with a double crochet border, and then in the corners, I had two right before the corner, or like two double crochet before and after the corner, and then 3 in the corner to create that nice square. This baby blanket, Houndstooth Baby Blanket, was created using Bernat Softee Baby yarn in red and white. And then I actually ran out of the white color, so I switched over to, I think it's the Cascade. I'm not sure actually because I lost the donut band, like ball band. But I think it was like a softer wool mix yarn. Oh, so pretty. And once I finished the square, I ended up doing a basket weave stitch for the border. As you can see, I ended up playing yarn chicken a little bit, and my I ended up with like shorter on top and longer sections at the bottom, but I'm going to say that's representing the single crochet and double crochet of the houndstooth stitch. So it still works, If you liked working on this continuous houndstooth blanket and you're looking for a blanket that has no holes, it creates a really nice fabric for a baby blanket and it's nice and soft, then you might want to check out my woven stitch crochet pattern. It's a continuous pattern that works the same way in a nice square. If you use a multicolored yarn, it creates this really nice fabric here. And I think you'd love it. All right, let me know if you make it. I can't wait to see this pattern in action.